Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm showing you this unit from Amazon. So it's a hit or miss unit, okay? Now I try my best to finesse this wig the best I can. With this unit, it has that plastic part, in which I hate with a passion. So you can see that it's no way around it, okay? So your girl tried her best. With this unit, it's very plasticky. If you can see right here, you see it's really shiny. Like the shine on here is ridiculous. And it's very long. So I consider this like a Halloween wig, a costume wig. So yeah. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about this unit, cause for sure it's a miss for me, honey. Alright, Miss Simplee Beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. So in today's video, I'm showing you this ombre gray wig. So right here, I'm reading the specs on this unit. It says it has a dark root and it's silver gray, and it is a synthetic unit, and it's a middle part, and it's loose wave for natural looking wig for daily party use. Okay. So right offhand, why it says that this is a Halloween wig, that's what I'm thinking. Cause this unit, it's no way around to finesse this unit, you know. So the shininess, you could put dry shampoo on it, but why bother? Because of the parting, it's like not realistic. It's some kind of plastic thing they're using. I experienced this in like 2 other wigs that I have reviewed for Amazon before. So if you're watching this, if you know your unit looks like this, don't bother hitting me up to review for you, because this is ridiculous. But I do like the curl pattern and the length on this unit. Like the color is pretty. This is a very unique color on this wig. But like I said, if you're going to a party or anything and it's dark, honey, you can pull this off. But yeah, I just pulled out my edges on this. And, you know, look at my face. It's like, girl, why bother? So, you know, I just threw this wig on my head, honey. And this is what you got. I even try to put concealer in the parting. I don't know. But anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. And let me know what you think about this unit. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.